Right, let's get into my Devinah try-on order. I have my tripod like really small, but actually this might work out for like looks and stuff. So it got her beautiful face on there. So cool. Very like, well, I can see shifts and stuff. And so I got the eyeshadow primer. I didn't get the glitter primer. I'm gonna brush my hair, but it is pretty large. But this is the, let's see, Prolusion Eye Base Primer. Clear, and it's like a nude. Why is there always, okay, it's from the Ipsy bag. But yeah, it's pointy. It's my biggest eyeshadow primer that I have. But she has oily eyelids. I have oily eyelids. Okay. Got some canceling out a little bit. All right. Okay. And then I always set my eyeshadow primer. There's my bulldog, of course. She always knows when I'm filming. Ooh, okay, we have a little bit of canceling. Okay, and then I'm gonna set it with a, oh my god, here. And then I'm so excited. I did add the shades myself. I'm so excited for this. And then I got the shade Courtney too. And then I got the, maybe I should, okay, put them in my, this is Christmas. I'm so excited for the 10-piece brush set, like, Okay, so I'm gonna set with a skin tone eyeshadow. Oh my god, skin tone eyeshadow. Just to set my lid, that's what I always do. This is the shade Vanilla Skies from Looksy. I don't even know where to start. I'm like really tempted to use the purple, but then I'm also like, oh, and I will include swatches here. I'm working with like lighting and stuff. So I did like dark swatches. I have like a small little background, but I want to get eventually like a bigger one back here. So I don't know. Eventually I'll have like a darker wallpaper here. I don't even know what brush to start with because they're so beautiful. Like, look at these beautiful small little little baby. Like, look at the little baby smudger. So usually with blending brushes, like they're really big. And I don't have like small eyes, but like I have hooded eyes, like, I don't know if you guys can see. So I need something small and detailed, but like even like this little baby inner corner or like smudger, or Deandra did a whole video on them. So, but like they're perfect. And I got them during Black Friday. They're beautiful. Like the pink, like the pink ferrule. D107. Okay. And I'm going to go darkest to lightest. And then you can put these in any order. I just put them in there myself, and you can depot them, which is awesome. So I'm just put the shades on the screen. I'm gonna take the darkest shade, which is like this. I don't even know what to say, like aubergine. I don't know. Got some pigment to it. Excuse me, like, yeah, just a little bit pigmented. Nothing like, you know, serious. That is so cool. It is like a cool tone shade. I don't know if it was the brush because this is definitely densely packed, but it's soft. But yeah, that was just easy. And then to blend, I'm going to take the D109, perfect blending size, like for me. Even like, look at this. Like, this reminds me of one of those cassette brushes, like this D104. And there's even a like smaller one, the D103. Just perfection. Like, okay, we're just gonna, I don't know, get crazy around here and play with both. Okay, I want to use this purple right here, which is looks okay. Why don't I use like a mirror, you know, like be professional. I'm gonna use my Nomad palette, which has a mirror, a big mirror. Okay, D104. Go like cut crease if that's what you're into. You literally just stamp it and then just cut it. Or lower lash line. look at that, like perfect. Because I have hoods, like it gets lost, so I'm gonna build it up. I also want to use the Big Daddy, which is not even big, for like, usually they're huge. So I'm gonna take this lavender purple that I've been dying to use. Again, putting shades on the screen. And then eventually I'm gonna build that up, okay. Oh. This is the D109. I'm gonna build those up and I'll be right back, and then we're gonna do the shimmers. All right, oh my God, I got the Ben Nye stuff in my eye. Okay, I'm gonna use some of these shimmers now, and it looks like I got a bruise, so we're gonna work on that, but I'm just learning the brushes, learning the eyeshadows, you know. These are, I mean, I do like my purple, but these are more cool tone, so they can kind of look bruisey on me, but we're working on it. And then I also didn't get to use this one yet, so maybe I'll add that. Ben Nye stuff is sticky, but you can like, whoop, that is creepy. Okay, let's get into the shimmers. I'm gonna use this. It's supposed to be like Mystic Moon Pie, which I do not have. I almost got it, but I didn't know if it was dark or not. Okay, so I'm gonna use that shade first. Oh, they're so smooth, like, oh. Yeah, they feel very, very smooth. And that looks absolutely ridiculously beautiful. Let's do the purple, which I thought would be kind of similar to Runt, but it's not. It's different. I have 11 shimmers. Well, now I have more, but I have 11 shimmers from my first order for 2 years ago. I'm gonna use this, what in the, oh my gosh, this shade. I love how they're really like iridescent shades. Like you can build them up, but also like I think these are work appropriate, at least work appropriate for me. Just like, what? My wing is, what is going on? I swear it doesn't look, it looks better. Like, it's looking weird. Doesn't look like that. Yeah, I don't know why it's looking blotchy, even though that's not how it looks in person. Like, it's making me like want to keep blending, even though I'm like, it doesn't look like that in person. I don't know why. The lighting or something? I don't know. Right here, it is not like, okay. I'm not, oh my God. I'm not a makeup artist, but I'm not that bad. Actually, I don't bring my eyeshadow up this high anymore usually, but today I was like, whatever. Yeah, I don't know why it's looking so blotchy. It doesn't look like that. I think it's the lighting. Maybe it's like too bright or something. I don't know. So I did use the D104. Yeah, I don't know why it's looking blotchy. Of course, one side looks like that. The other side does not look like that. So now I have to build this up, even though I thought this side looked better. Sometimes that happens. Right, and then look at this little BB. All right, I'm using my Nomad palette as a mirror. That is a huge mirror. Lower lash line, I'm gonna take the light matte first, just to see what it looks like. It's like a brown, but not like it's like a peachy brown. I don't know. I'm excited to use that as like a transition shade or like a more like a blending shade since I go dark first. This brush is amazing though. Like it's so precise. I love it. I was using it as a smudger. It is just amazing. This is the D101. It even goes right in here really well. Like, that's amazing. And then this is gonna be my inner corner brush. Like, perfect baby little inner corner. Reminds me of my Lunar Beauty brush. This is the LBE7. I also have like a Eco Tools one too, but yeah. And then for a shimmer, I want to use, I'm gonna use the pinky shade. Just right there, just to brighten it up a little bit. I'm going to the mall. My husband's like, please don't be that gone too long, because he was helping his cousin move yesterday, so he is exhausted. And I'm gonna use the light purple shade right here. Oh, the final look. I don't know why it's looking swatchy. It's not to look like that in person, but it's the shimmers. It's kind of gloomy outside today, but this adds to my outfit. Right, Liv? Does the necklace add to my outfit? Yeah. Yeah, it does. It does. Purple. That is not how to work. Thank you so much for watching, and be prepared to see more looks on my Instagram and my TikTok on the Phantasia, on the Phantasia palette. My kids really like unicorns. So yeah, like, subscribe if you want to see more of my face. Bye.